Hi, friends. I'm Tanya Parkin. I'm the on-site instructional curriculum coordinator for Lomitas Elementary School in Victor Elementary School District. I'm super excited to share one of my favorite websites with you today. It's called Newsela, Newsela.com. We're going to go check it out and look at some of the cool stuff we can do at home with our students and with our kiddos. So when I go to newsela.com, you'll notice their announcement that it's currently free for everyone, which is super awesome. We're going to click Join Now if you do not have an account, or Sign In if you already do. When we click Join Now, we either can choose that we are a student or that we are an educator. So if you, I think, are 13 years or older, you can choose your own account as a student. And as an educator, we can click this, and parents, you're also going to click here. So we're going to click I'm an educator, and then teachers are going to choose yes, parents are going to choose no, and click next. I'm going to do sign up with Google. You can put your name and email address. It'll ask you a couple of permissions questions. And parents, it may ask you a couple of extra questions and take you back through the cycle one more time, just to make sure everybody knows they're on the same page. Once you're signed in, you notice that you have access to their whole site here. Newsela is an online collection of current events, nonfiction articles, and other related items that are written at different Lexile levels, which are reading levels, so our kids can access the content. It's often easy to find news on the internet. It's more difficult to find news that's written at our students' reading levels. So we're going to do a quick search for a topic here today. I'm going to just choose otters because that's fun. So we'll do a search for articles about otters. I'm going to check this basketball one out for the Oregon Zoo and see what we can find here. So you'll notice as you scroll down, you have access to all of the article itself. You can click here to switch it to Spanish if you prefer Spanish language. Not every article will be available in Spanish, but many are. And then this number right here, this is where the magic happens. So each one of these represents a different reading level. So the L stands for Lexile, which is a reading level indicator. So you're going to choose the indicator level that's best for your student. Ask your kiddos if they know what their Lexile level is. If they're not sure, do a quick Google search to find out what might be an appropriate Lexile level for a particular grade level. So I'm going to choose English 400 right now. And I might just let my kids read this. You can go up here to assign, and parents and teachers both. You can assign the article to a classroom, and then your kiddos just join with a join code, similar to Google Classroom or many other applications out there. When you click on the Activities tab, there's a writing prompt or a writing activity for our students to do. And then there's also a quiz option. I do need you to note that when we click on the quiz option from the parent or teacher portal, it shows all of the answers. So if we want our kids to take the actual quiz as a comprehension check, we will want to go through the process of assigning it to a mock or real classroom type atmosphere. Again, there's lots of options here. You can search for things. You can go under Election 2020, lots of neat articles there, all kinds of fun things for our kiddos to use. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Please be well. I hope that you enjoy Newsela. I challenge each of you to find an article about something you love and do some kind of follow-up writing activity to show us what you learned. Have a great day, friends. Bye.